Let's talk about something that ruins relationships, messes up careers, and keeps people stuck in cycles that they hate. That's acting out of emotions. Hey you guys, it's your girl Renie. In today's video, we're going to talk about how acting out of emotions can really do more harm than good. So just think about it. How many times have you walked away from something good, said something you regret, or made decisions because you were stuck all up in your feelings? Think about that. See, guys, emotions are real, okay? They deserve to be felt, but they don't always deserve to be obeyed, y'all. They don't always need to be obeyed. You got to learn how to control that part of you. So, that text you sent out of anger, that bridge you burnt out of pride, and the opportunities you threw away because you were afraid. How many times have you done that because you were all up in your emotions? Those were permanent decisions based on temporary emotions. I want to charge you to lead with clarity, not chaos. So when you're heated, pause. When you are hurt, reflect. And when you're happy, don't overpromise. Do not do that. See, you can feel deeply, yet still move wisely. That's real strength. That's real strength. That's real growth. And that's how you let emotions stop driving your life. Trust me, I know. See, you can let emotions flow through you, but don't let them lead you. You see, because wisdom listens, emotions react, and your future deserves your wisdom. All right, so this is your motivation. Move intentionally, move wisely, move like the future version of you is already watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.